Hi, today we will make an operational timer with the DS3231 Real-Time Clock model. The DS3231 model provides an accurate real-time clock function. It sustains second, minute, hour, day, date, month, and year data with a 3-volt lithium battery when power is cut off. It communicates with the Arduino PLC with the I2C, SDA, and SCL pins. The VCC and GND pins of the model are connected to the 5 volts and GND pins of the Nano. The date and time display and setting of the timer on-off can be done with the HMI Modbus App using either Bluetooth from video number 15 or Wi-Fi from video number 16. Thus, the HC05 Bluetooth module can be connected to the Arduino PLC as shown, or the DT06 Wi-Fi module with the configured baud rate of 115200. For the RTC module to operate with the correct date and time, it should first be synchronized with your PC clock from the Tools tab of the Settings menu. The DS3231 instruction from the Utilities instruction group enables the reading of the RTC module data into the PLC registers of D1 to D7, corresponding to second, minute, hour, day, month, and year. These data should be copied into integer variables to be accessed via Modbus. Add 7 rungs to the program with copy instruction in each rung. Set the first copy instruction source variable to D.1 and destination variable to I.1. Set the second copy instruction source variable to D.2 and the destination variable to I.2. Down to the 7th copy source to D.7 and destination to I.7. The TMatch and DMatch instructions from the compare instruction group are used to compare the RTC time and date against set values. When there is a match, the wrong condition will become true. Add 2 TMatch instructions into 2 different rungs with coils of variables B.1 and B.2. Set integer variables of I.8 to I.13 to second, minute, and hour of the instructions. The first TMatch will start an operation, while the second TMatch will stop it. Add a DMatch instruction into another rung with variable I.14 as its source and a coil with variable B.3. Observe that SS, RK, J, S, and M appears on the DMatch instruction. These correspond to days of the week from Monday to Sunday. Source values of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 are selectively assigned to enable them. Multiple days can be enabled by adding up the required day numbers. Add a branch and a latch coil with variable arrow.1 to a rung. Add 2 contacts to one of the branches and a third contact to the other branch. Assign variables B.1 and B.3 to the contacts in the upper branch for the timer to enable arrow.1 and B.4 to the other contact for manual enabling. Add a branch and an unlatched coil with variable arrow.1 to a last rung. Add contacts to the branches with variable bits B.2 and B.5 for disabling of arrow.1. Ensure that the PLC settings are Nano V5, the port number, a baud rate of 115200, and Modbus address of 1. Then upload the code to the PLC. Connect the HC05 Bluetooth module to the PLC and pair it with your Android phone using the password 1234. Or connect to the DT06 Wi-Fi module hotspot or through your home network. See video number 16 for details. Open the HMI Modbus app and create a new project with the name RTC Timer. Touch the 3 vertical dots at the top right and select Edit Servers List. Touch the 3 vertical dots at the top right again and select Add Bluetooth device and touch the HC05 server. Add a label from the Text and Bars tab. Select its element settings and then Label settings. Change the label to time and the font size to 50. Copy the time label and change it to weekdays from the Quick Settings option. Copy again and change the label to date. Create labels for start time, start day, and stop time. Add a num input before the time label. Delete its label and change the font size to 50. Go back and touch the num input. Select Choose Server and then the HC05 server. From the Quick Settings option, change the width and height to 130, request to int16, PLC number to 1, and address to 0, corresponding to I.1 and D.1 in Outseal PLC. Copy the num input and place it beside the first. Change its address to 1. Place another beside the second with address of 2. Copy and place a num input before weekdays with an address of 3. Copy and place 3 num inputs before date with addresses of 4, 5, and 6. Copy and place a num input before start time. Select the option PLC-1 3x6 int 16. Change the communication address to 7 and allow write requests. Copy and place 2 more of this num input beside it with addresses of 8 and 9. Copy and place 3 of this same num input before stop time with addresses of 10, 11, and 12. Copy and place a last num input before start day with an address of 13. Add the red indicator from the switch tab to the screen. Set its request to read bit state, PLC number to 1, and address to 0. Finally, add switch 1. Set its label and label for on state to start, and font size to 60. Select Choose Server, and then the HC05 server. From the Communication Configure option, set the communication address to 131, corresponding to B.4 in Outseal PLC, and the PLC number to 1. Allow write request, and set the request type to set momentary. Copy the start switch, change its label and label for on state to stop, and set its address to 132. Start the HMI runtime with the Start triangle button at the top right. Observe that the time and date value are being displayed. Set the start time, start day, and stop time. Observe that when there is a match between the set start time and day and the actual time and day, the red indicator is turned on. It is turned off when there is a match between the set stop time and the actual time. The indicator can also be turned on and off with the start and stop buttons. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and drop a comment if you enjoyed this video. Don't leave without subscribing to this channel if you have not. Bye for now.